Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of April, 2025, our system has categorized Advanced Micro Devices as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.11. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, experiencing a gain of 0.27%. This equates to an average return of 0.07% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible change of negative 17.85% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 38.62% to negative 10.69%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 36.69%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 51.95% and negative 14.62% over the next year. This would place the future price somewhere between $46.44 and $82.52. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: Advanced Micro Devices stock price ended at $96.65 on Thursday after losing 0.719%. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price fell by 0.719% on the last day, Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, from $97.35 to $96.65. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.78%, from a day low of $96.45 to a day high of $100.10. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a gain of 9.47% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 93,000 shares, although this was accompanied by falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 29 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.79 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 48.39%, or $90.63, below the 52-week high, and 57.48%, or $130.65, below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, has recently garnered attention with several significant updates as the company prepares to report its first quarter earnings on the 6th of May. Analysts have expressed optimistic sentiment, suggesting the potential for a substantial 45% upside from current levels. However, the stock has faced challenges, trading over 20% lower year-to-date, primarily due to broader economic concerns affecting the semiconductor sector. As AMD gears up for its earnings report, Wall Street estimates a revenue of approximately $7.110 billion and earnings per share of 94 cents, reflecting impressive growth of nearly 52% year-over-year. This strong performance is expected to be driven by a notable 94% surge in data center revenue last year, highlighting increasing demand for its new MI300X and EPYC products. Despite a compressed forward price-to-earnings ratio of 22, which suggests the market may be undervaluing its growth potential, the current sentiment indicates caution ahead of the earnings announcement. Market analysts, including Ryan Patel, are tempering expectations for a full rebound, urging investors to reset their gain targets. The overall semiconductor industry continues to face headwinds, including rising economic uncertainties. Consequently, how AMD's earnings report aligns with these expectations could either bolster its stock price in the short term or further dampen sentiment in the long term. Investors will closely monitor the upcoming results, as positive surprises could ignite a rally, while disappointing figures might prolong its recent downturn. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 27th of March 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AMD a hold grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 23.58%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Advanced Micro Devices stock has a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a general sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $97.42. Conversely, if it declines, the stock will find support from the short-term average at $95.42. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will create an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative sentiment. Notably, volume increased amidst falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following: short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 126 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 120 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you are looking for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $85.76 and $83.64. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $85.76. If this support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $83.64 and $78.21. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.65 between high and low, or 3.78%. For the last week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 3.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio. commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 93 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $96.84. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $85.76. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Papermaster Mark D, who bought and sold 70,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 15.914. Overall, insiders purchased 993,364 shares and sold 1,414,783 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $93.89, reflecting a decrease of 2.85%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. There is currently a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 16 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices displays several positive signals. However, we do not yet consider these sufficient to label it a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning one should either hold or accumulate more shares while waiting for further developments. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open higher by $1.08, beginning trading at $97.73. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.